Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today, let me see if today's January 9th. January 9th, 2021, Kristen, is getting a bikini wax. Stay tuned for this experience. I'm nervous. Okay y'all, so I made it to OfficialBeat Studios. I'm about to get a wax. And this is just a little vlog. Plus size edition Brazilian wax. And I'm nervous, but y'all, the studio is super cute. This is the room that we're doing our, well, my, what is it called?
Your wax.
My wax. I'm super nervous. What I'm supposed to do. So, what I'm about to do, y'all, I'm about to lay on the bed, which is really cute. And it's comfortable. And since I'm a plus size girl, it's gonna help me up, y'all. But support black businesses all 2021. Don't ask for handouts. Whatever your friend charges, just how much you pay, okay? Period. Cause
You're so silly.
Yeah, I'm so excited. And the only reason I'm getting the wax, because if she didn't do them, I probably never get one, because I don't trust people down there but my husband. Okay. But so she finna wax me, so that means we locked in together forever.
Yeah, I be like, I see all of that, like we best friends.
We together forever.
First we're gonna start off with like a cleanse and a little powder just to get any moisture, because wax don't stick to nothing that's wet. Okay, so we cleaned it with a cleanser first, and then baby powder. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit of baby powder to dry it up. Cause what?
Wax don't stick to nothing wet. So first strip going down.
I'm nervous, I'm hot, I'm sweating.
Don't act like that.
It's gonna hurt later.
I mean, yeah,
I know
your
you.
first wax.
Oh. Okay.
I haven't even poured it yet.
Oh Lord. Later. Okay.
I'll
Okay.
let you know before I pull it. I gotta give it time to dry. Now, by your second wax, your third wax, girl, you should be good to go.
Okay, so it don't hurt, but that's it. It don't hurt. It's like a quick. Oh my Lord Jesus!
Don't do you that bad.
I'm gonna turn the camera a different way.
That hurt?
Yep.
Just popping wax off.
Sitting here like, nope, you gotta get time to try.
Now, by your second, third wax.
She said second or third.
I'm just gonna lay all the strips and pull. So it'll be like lay strip, pull.
Ah.
You did good. Good.
It's the tear for me.
You cried?
I wanted to get wax because I don't know if a lot of y'all know, but when I had my injury, I can't sit in the tub. I have to stand up, and yeah, it's hard. Nope. That's gonna hurt, ain't it?
Because we right here on the side.
Yeah.
Got it all.
Okay, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad.
It's gonna be better every time.
Do the lips hurt bad though?
Especially when you get used to it. Whenever you get used to it, you can be like, Like I have some clients that just come and they can just lay here and not even move. it's gonna get like that for you because you're not waxing because you're not shaving or using hair anymore.
Okay, so when do I come back?
Between 3 and 4 weeks. I recommend for your second wax, only so we can get that extra hair that is growing. We can go ahead and pull that also, but definitely at least by your 4th week. I'm just giving you time to dry because I would have been finished by now. I just don't want to hurt you.
Ah! Okay, good.
Girl, yes. It don't look bad. And no razor bumps, no hair bumps. I don't see any of
Okay, so what, I always ask this question wrong. What type of wax do you use?
I prefer hard wax because hard wax, it doesn't pull skin like soft wax. Soft wax, like the strip wax, sometimes you can actually lift your skin and your skin will be on the strip. Sometimes.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
All depends on who that waxer is. But hard wax really only pulls hair. And you can go over the same spot multiple times with it. Versus soft wax, if I go over your skin one time and I don't get all the hair, I can't go over it again because I be scared I'm gonna lift your skin.
Okay, so what about the redness and irritation? Like, does it depend on how your skin is, or?
That all depends on the person's skin and the waxer. It all depends on how aggressive the waxer is. If you hold that skin really tight, your skin is loose and the person not holding your skin while they're pulling the wax, then yeah, you're gonna bruise, you're gonna have redness, you might even have irritation too.
So I mean, it probably don't. It's probably based on the person.
Okay, and if you can get your toes, that would be so funny. Have any ingrowns, any kind of razor bumps, nothing like that. No sores, no nothing. Now,
I never shave again though, because I must definitely be back. Oh Lord, this is real raw and uncut. I had the wax and the hair on my shoulder. I love it. I love it here. I love it here.
You must forgot it was there.
I forgot it was there. I wanted to see it. I just wanted to see it.
Yes, you have to exfoliate. I mean, it's like mandatory.
Okay.
That you exfoliate to make sure that the hair don't grow back over that open pore and cause an ingrown. So exfoliating is like the #1 key to waxing.
How do I exfoliate?
I like to use Tree Hut because I like to exfoliate my entire body. So like when I'm in the shower, and like I probably do that maybe 2-3 times a week. So like when I'm in the shower, I just take a little bit and just rub.
I'm definitely bringing y'all back.
But you did so good today.
Thank you. I tried.
Because I was like, oh yeah, my last client gonna come in here and milk.
I did good though. So y'all, I'll be back because my battery about to die, and I'll be back when it's time to leave and give y'all a review. I'm gonna leave all her information in the description box below. Y'all can check out her page, and yeah, and beautiful, fat and beautiful, just like the owner. Okay, I'll be back, y'all. Day after my wax, and I enjoyed it. I was insecure at first, but she made it a breeze. It did hurt, y'all. It hurted a little bit. Like the first time it hurt, but after the couple rips, I got kind of used to it. So I most definitely will be getting another wax, and I am super excited about it. She told me to come back 3 to 4 weeks, but I must definitely go 3 weeks because I'm not waiting 4 weeks because no. I'm definitely going back. It really boosts my confidence, y'all. It boosts my confidence. Your girl feel good, your girl feel fresh, light, like I just wanna just do cartwheels in the cold. That's how good it feels. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog and stay tuned for the next one. If you haven't already, girl, please go ahead and like, subscribe to the channel. We'll be having more little vlogs like this and just different videos, period, you guys. So just do that for your girl. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all next video. Bye.